Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a review of what many consider the best 3-inch clay pots in bulk available on the market right now. We're talking about the TKSCUSR 3-inch terracotta pots with saucer. These pots are not only practical but also perfect for succulents, cacti, and various other small plants. Let's kick things off with the features. Each pot is crafted from high-quality terracotta, fired at high temperatures to ensure durability. They come equipped with drainage holes, essential for plant health by preventing overwatering and promoting proper airflow to the roots. These pots measure 3.14 inches in diameter and height, with accompanying trays that measure 2.55 inches in diameter and 0.59 inches in height. This set includes 20 pots and 20 saucers per box, making it a fantastic value for anyone looking to start or expand their indoor garden. What sets these pots apart is their classic terracotta design, which not only looks great in any setting, whether it's your living room, office, or garden, but also provides excellent air permeability for healthy root development. These pots aren't just containers, they're a gateway to creativity and bonding. Whether you're DIYing with your kids, monitoring plant growth together, or using them as decorative pieces for events like weddings, these pots serve multiple purposes beautifully. Packaged in a high-quality gift box, these pots arrive in perfect condition, ensuring a delightful unboxing experience. Plus, if you encounter any issues, TKSCUSR's customer service is ready to assist, making sure your gardening journey remains hassle-free. In conclusion, the TKSCUSR 3-inch terracotta pots with saucer are a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their plant care routine or add a touch of greenery to their surroundings. With a blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal, these pots truly excel. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!